The Belltron MTR 6000 is an electronically controlled 6-pole rotating swinger. Here you can see the bell, the chain, and the 3-phase swinger with the electronics on board. Programming is carried out using a control panel which is connected to the circuit board. When the control panel is turned on, a personalized PIN code must be entered. Programming is very simple as you only have to enter the information requested by the control panel. To start with, the wheel diameter must be entered. In this case, it is 49 centimeters. Followed by the sprocket diameter. In this case, it's 35 millimeters. The bell elevation degree at which the bell is to play. In this case, it is to play at 45 degrees. Enter the bell thrust time. This value allows the bell to reach the programmed elevation degree more or less in a quick time. A few test runs should be made until the correct value is reached by the installer. The value of 10 has been entered here to carry out this test. We have entered 10, which means that the bell will break until the bell swinging rate reaches 10 degrees. Now the soft stop and soft start must be programmed. The soft stop refers to the braking intensity and the soft start value defines the intensity at which the motor will act on the bell thrust. These values range from 0 to 9 according to whether they need to be quick or slow. An average braking value can start from 6. The soft start allows a smooth start of the bell without jerking to the chain and consequently to the mechanics. If the motor is of an appropriate size, the value must be set between 0 and 2, otherwise it can be higher. We have entered the value of 1. The CP6000 can fit an additional circuit board, the HM6000 board for single hammer strikes control, as well as to play synchronized bell sounds between a bell peal and 2 other bell hammers. If the hammer strike control board is not being used, then jump this programming section. Press Start on the control panel and press Start again to confirm. The programming which has been shown refers to a smooth bell thrust with an average braking value. The bell will continue to swing until it reaches the programmed elevation degree. The display on the control panel will indicate the number of strikes per minute. Use the plus and minus buttons to either increase or reduce the elevation degree. Wait until the bell has reached the correct swinging rate and, if necessary, make further adjustments. It is possible to adjust the bell symmetry whilst it's swinging. Use the arrow button to gain access to the menu. Use the plus and minus buttons to make your adjustments. Press Stop to bring the bell to a halt. Make sure the braking suits your requirements. Programming is now completed. If programming needs to be adjusted because some of the parameters are unsatisfactory, press the Program button and select the parameter to be changed. Then press Start again. When programming is completed, disconnect the cable from the swinger. The control panel is disconnected and kept by the installer for future installations. The bell is now ready to be managed by an external controller, either a switch or a cast bell controller. What we're about to see now is a faster start to the bell. Once again, when the bell reaches the programmed elevation degree, the control panel will show the number of strikes per minute. Now programming has been set to show a quick braking. Now we're about to see a slow breaking of the bell. One of the advantages of using this system is that it does not require a panel board and does not create audio interferences with the audio system inside the church, and it does not cause mechanical stress on the parts. Thank you for your attention.